I'm Alicia and this is Healthy Humane Living, and today we're going to be making some healthier chocolate chip cookies. I got these recipes from a friend who had posted it on social media and I thought it looked pretty interesting. So let's get started. So the first thing that we're going to do, or you can do, is I've got 3 very ripe mashed bananas. And then the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to put a half a cup of soy milk in there. The recipe called for almond milk, but I didn't have any of that. And then one thing that the recipe said not to skip was a 1/3 cup of applesauce. And so what I did is I went and got the little cups from the store, and this is not quite a full of those servings, so one of those full servings. But I'm going to put that in there and get my liquid or my mushy things all mixed in together. And so I've got that, and then the next thing is it calls for 2 cups of oatmeal, but I made oatmeal flour, so I'm just going to start putting this in there with it. The next step is to put a teaspoon of vanilla in, so I'm going to do that. And this also called for a teaspoon of cinnamon, but I don't like cinnamon in my cookies, and so I did not do that. So I'm going to mix up the cinnamon, and then 1 cup of chocolate chips. And this is Healthy Humane, so I went with fair trade chocolate chips and chocolate chips that are gluten-free and also that do not involve any deforestation. I've got my handy dandy ice cream scooper here, and I'm just going to scoop this up on to my cookie sheet, and we'll get this going, and then we'll put it into the oven. So I got 2 trays of cookies from this, and they look like regular cookies, and I'm going to give it a try. It's ooey, it's gooey on the inside, and it tastes pretty darn yummy. I would happily take these anywhere if I had anywhere to go. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Give it a try. My name is Alicia, and this is Happy Humane Living.